Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we would learn how to solve the practice problem searching a number. So first, let us understand the question. Basically, in this question, we are given an array. Let's say 1, 2, 7, 5 and 3. Okay. Now, in this given array, we need to find the first occurrence of the given k. Okay. Now, for example, k is given to us 7. Okay, now I need to print the first occurrence of 7 in the array. That means the position of this element in the array. Okay, now let's say this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so basically my output would be 2 because at the second index position I can see this element present. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. Okay, in the practice portal you need to choose difficulty as basic. Then you need to find the problem searching a number. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, now let's solve the problem. Okay, here is the question. Given an array of n elements and an integer k, your task is to return the position of the first occurrence of k in the given array. I hope the question is clear. Now remember, the index position for the first element is considered 1. Okay, so it would be not from 0, it would be from 1. That is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, now we need to code this question over here. Okay, we need to code here. So let's code it. Okay, 1 minute. Let me clean the screen. Now let's code the answer. Okay, if k not in array, if the element is not present in array, then you can directly return with -1. Okay, else what do I need to do? Else return array dot index position of what? Index position of k plus 1. Why I am doing plus 1? Because the index positions are starting from 1. Okay, so that is why plus 1. Now let me click on compile and run to check if it is correct or not. Let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, let me submit it. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem searching a number. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.